everybody. Let's speak today about voltage divider and current dividers. First, let's start with a voltage divider circuit. What is a voltage divider circuit? A voltage divider circuit is a very common circuit that takes a higher voltage and convert it to a lower voltage by using of pair of resistor. Um, let's take this circuit on which we can find our sources, and R1 and R2 are our pair of resistance, and RL is our load. In order to study this circuit, we need to cut it on point A and point B. Okay. Now, if we look to the equation which characterize these circuits, A equal to R1 plus R2 multiplied by the current. Now, if we extract the current from this formula, we get it here, I equal to A divided by R1 plus R2. Now, if we look at the DDP between the point A and B, equal to R2 multiplied by the current forwarding through the resistance 2. Okay. Now we know the formula of the current. Let's replace it on this formula, this second formula. We get a final formula which is the voltage divider here. What does this mean? If we know our sources voltage and we know the R1, we can and we need to fix the voltage maybe to 5 volts. We have just to calculate the R2. Let's take an example for more explanation. If our sources equal to 20 volt DC, and we need to fix our output here to 5 volts in order to power our circuits, let's say maybe our microcontroller. First of all, we need to fix the R1. Let's say R1 equal 12 kilo. Okay, the R2 now equal 3.16 kilos. It's so easy to use this formula. No miracles. Now let's go to a current divider. A current divider circuits allow the circuits allow to reduce current delivered by the sources to a desired one. Let's take similar to the first example of voltage divider. Let's take this circuits on which we find our current sources and our shunt resistance and our load here. Okay, and the current forwarding through the load. The conductance formula of the circuit is given by G equal GS plus GR. And if we replace GS and GR by their formula, we get the final formula of conductance of this circuit. Now, if we look to the current, the current of the circuits, the current delivered by these sources, I0 equal to our resistance, equivalent resistance as S and R resistances, multiplying by U. U is the DDP between both pins of S resistance and R resistance. And from here we can extract our U, which is the DDP between the pins of our resistors. Now, if we look to the current forwarding our resistance through our resistance, equal to our I equal to U divided by R. Okay. Knowing the formula of U, the DDP, let's replace it here on this second formula. We get the final formula of current dividers. Okay, divider. Sorry. Now, for example, if we have our sources able to deliver 100 milliamps and we need to limit the current on our load to 23 milliamps, the R, the needed, and we know the resistance of our load, it's easy to find the values of our shunt. Here there is 3 kilos, but this is just for example, because if we calculate the dissipation power, we will find it so high, very high. Okay, this is just for example how to use an example how to use a current divider. Now let's go to a simulation side, on which here is just a small circuit on which I want to demonstrate the current, the voltage divider circuits. I have here my sources, which is fixed to 24 volts, and our resistance R1 and R2. The first one is fixed to 12 volts, kilo ohms. Sorry. And the R2 fixed to 3.2 kilo. Okay. Now let's start the simulation and look what the voltage, the DDP between R2 is equals, or this is the output of our the output of the the output voltage we need to fix it. Okay. Here we can see that from 24 volts we fix the output to 5 volts through our using our pair of resistance. Okay. I make also another circuits in order to I replace the R2 by POTI, on which I can modify the values of R2 resistance. Here I get 5 volts because I have 64% of 5 kilo, which means 3.15 kilo maybe, or 16. So if I wanted to change the values of this resistance, as you can see here, you could just you change the values of the output voltage. Okay. And if we increase it, you change it also. Okay. I think it's enough for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.